Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss the second very important topic of morphological image processing, and that is dilation. So what is dilation? It is just the reverse thing of erosion, that is it expands the image. Okay, same like erosion will be providing two input. One is our shaping element, okay, or we can say structural element, and another one is binary image, and the binary image will be shaped according to our structural element. Suppose our binary image is this one, whereas the structural element is this one. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be putting our this particular central of the structural diamond shaped structural element at this central pixel, and we will slide eventually kind of convolution will apply where kernel or the mask is this diamond shaped matrix, and when we place here, what will happen here, as this will not fit in our image, so we have to add pixel here, right? So here in this particular part one pixel will be added, and here one pixel will be added. So as a result eventually we will be having this kind of shape. Then when we will be going here also it will not adjust, the whole shape will not adjust. So as a result we will keep on adding new pixel, or we will be making those points as 1, okay, instead of 0. So like this second position will happen, and at the end what will happen, if you consider this as our original image, the whole outside one more extra layer of 1 will come. Okay, so this is kind of expansion in our image, okay, expansion of our object, not boundary. Okay, so this is what is dilation. Now what is the application of dilation? Very simple. Just consider, suppose I am having one image of letter O, which is like this, some discontinuity is there in this particular part. If you apply dilation, then what will happen, it will become bigger and this particular gap will be removed. Okay, like that you can apply dilation. And one more particular application is present, you can apply erosion and dilation combiningly. Okay, so you have used erosion to detect some particular object, but due to application of erosion, what happens, the object which you want to detect, that also shrinks. So to get back the original size, you can apply dilation, okay, to get back the size of the original object as same. Okay, so here I can show you one example of that. Like here we have taken this case study earlier in my previous video, that is, suppose you want to remove all the circuit lines from the original circuit image, PCB circuit image, leaving only the rectangular outliers on microchips. Okay, so here I have written the code, like I have taken one structural element of 30 cross 30, okay, and then I have applied IM erode and I am plotting that. Okay, so let me plot up to this. Okay, so I am writing IM show B. No need to worry about the code will be provided in the description box. Okay, so I'll be writing erosion. Okay, and if I run this particular part of the code, I'll be having this kind of output. Okay, so you can see this is our original image and this is erosion after erosion. So this particular rectangle is detected, this particular rectangle is detected, this rectangle is detected, and this rectangle also detected, but they are shrinked due to application of erosion. So to get back our original structure of rectangle, we can apply dilation using same structural element. Okay, just 3 extra lines you need to write. Let me remove these 2 lines, and BW3 equal to IM dilate, this is for dilation, B comma AC, same structural element which we have used for erosion, same one we are using for dilation, and then showing that title is detecting rectangles. Now see how beautifully erosion and dilation all together works. See, you can clearly understand that whatever our rectangular part, that is microchip lines, border lines are present in our actual circuit, those only are shown, and rest all the well lines are basically removed. Okay, so this is the combination of effect erosion and dilation, which you can use in your project with some new modification, new idea.